Have you ever stared at your to-do list, then decided to do it?
Yeah, that's not just you being lazy. That's your monkey brain trying to survive. Meet the monkey brain. Inside your head, you've got a smart brain and a monkey brain. The smart brain plans your future. The monkey brain, it only cares about now. Deadlines, that's future you's problem. Right now, the monkey wants dopamine, banana, snacks, TikTok, anything. Why monkey takes over every time you face something hard? Your brain whispers, too scary, too hard, let's scroll instead. It's not laziness, it's pain avoidance. The monkey avoids pain and chases quick rewards. But then comes the deadline, and suddenly a wild panic monster appears. The monkey runs, smart brain takes over. You write 2,000 words in 2 hours. Stress? Yes. But done? Also, yes. So how do you stop procrastinating? Number 1, make tasks tiny. Instead of saying, finish writing an essay, just say, write for 15 minutes. Number 2, reward progress. Get something done? Time for a banana reward. Number 3, trick the monkey. Say, I'll just do this for 2 minutes, and by the time the monkey notices, you're already halfway done. The monkey brain isn't your enemy. You just have to learn how to lead it. The monkey says thanks. Like this video? Toss him a subscribe. It keeps the bananas coming.